This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features one slideout, sleep 6, skylight, refrigerator, LP detector, auxiliary battery, oven, stove top burner, air conditioning, awning, water heater, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is 5,857 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.